Hello, welcome back to my channel, JBTeguihanon, Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. So let's continue our study. Refrigeration system, that's the course name, but we are reviewing the basic concepts and definitions and basic principles. We are reviewing it because we have, for those who had their thermodynamics 1 and 2, you had you have had study this. Okay, but for those of you who are new to this, so perhaps it is also your first time. So come on, let's jump in and learn. So we have here an example problem. Express the pressure gauge reading of 35 psi. So you have a gauge reading of 35 psi in absolute pascals. No? So we are going to express the gauge pressure to absolute pascals. PSI, Pascal, or PA, or Newton meter square. Okay, so what we do is we convert the pressure reading into pascals. Okay, because that's the way you do it. Otherwise, you cannot do that. So you have to convert it so that it will have the same units. So what you do is you need to memorize, right? So 35 pound force per inch square inch. Okay, this one psi multiplied by what you do is your target is to cancel out this inch square here. So you have to convert inch square to foot square in order for you to cancel out square inch. So let's do that. So 1 foot square is equal to 144. How do we get that? So that is actually the conversion of feet to inch, right? 1 feet or 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So to square that, okay, after converting feet or foot to square inch to inch, sorry, you have to square it. So that is 12 times 12. Yeah, that will give you 144. So that's why you got here 144, and the unit is inch square. Okay, see, so you cancel now the inch here, the inch square there. Okay, so the next thing you do is to uh, as you can see, you have now pound force over feet square. So there you have this direct conversion, no? 1 kPa, oh sorry, 1 foot-pound, 1 foot-pound square is equal to point to this one, point 0.04788 kilopascal. Okay, so let's jump in here, cancel this out, cancel this out. Okay, and then perform numerical calculation means 35 times 144 times 0.04788. Okay, that will give you 241. Okay, and the unit is kilopascal gauge. So this is just gauge, right? Because you are just converting the gauge, PSI, 35 PSI, in pressure gauge. So it's still in gauge, right? In the gauge, not yet absolute. Okay? So to get an absolute, um, it says here that to find the absolute pressure, we simply add atmospheric pressure to the above value. Means this 241 kilopascal, you add atmospheric pressure to this, it will give you absolute. Okay, let's write down here P, pressure in absolute, okay, plus 241 kilopascal in gauge, plus we assume that we have 100 kPa as our atmospheric pressure. So we add 100 here, 241 plus 100, you will have 341 kilopascal. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you again. Please subscribe to my channel, JBTeguihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. Thanks. Bye. God bless.